Is this a competition, Rekha Sharma ji? Rekha Sharma ji, ये competition हो रहा है? If the Bengal government has not done its job, what is the CBI doing? Is this what this boils down to?
Authors for
it is very shameful when something happens in Bengal. पहले मिस्टर मंडल को चुप कराएं जरा, ये बहुत बीच में बोल रहे हैं. Navika, we have seen time and again how Mamata Banerjee behaved whenever anything wrong happens in West Bengal. She is always protecting the goons. It is not the first time. She has now come out on road to save her own self against herself. She has come out on the road and now she is asking the resignation of the Prime Minister, whereas the world is talking about the rape and murder in the hospital, Arjikar hospital. ये पहली बार नहीं है और मैं बार-बार वेस्ट बंगाल जब भी गई हूँ, firstly the women of West Bengal are afraid to go to the police station because they are the one who are also playing the role of the goons. They don't listen to the women. They act on the CM's orders. They don't even do the FIR. अभी हम बात क्या कर रहे हैं? अभी गौरव भाटिया जी बात कर रहे थे नंबर्स की. जहां FIR ही नहीं होता वो NCRB डाटा में आएगा कहां से? वहां FIR नहीं होता. अगर हो जाए तो उसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं होता, चार्जशीट नहीं होती. चार्जशीट होने के बावजूद भी उसमें ऐसे सेक्शंस में चार्जशीट होती है जिसमें वो सारे गुंडे जिन्होंने ऐसा काम किया वो बच जाते हैं. और ये पहली बार नहीं है. मैं वहां वेस्ट बंगाल में लगभग 6 या 7 बार, हर बार इलेक्शंस के बाद जब महिलाओं के ऊपर उत्पीड़न हुआ है, आई वेंट टू दैट प्लेस and I've seen that women are crying on my shoulders, but they will not go to the police station to register the FIR. They will be afraid of going to that place. Even the police is afraid of the political party ruling over there because they cannot act according to their own free will. They are afraid to even give a copy of FIR to me. That is the situation of West Bengal. और आज ममता जी अपने आप ही एक लेके आई हैं अपराजिता बिल, which is I think just to showcase what she is doing. She is doing nothing. One time she wanted to act. I think वो आज वो political party में आने के बाद और CM बनने के बाद अपनी इच्छा पूरी कर रही हैं एक्टिंग करके. She is just acting. She is a player for the audience and that's all. She doesn't mean to do any kind of thing, a real change in the West Bengal.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence to be a force for business that makes doing good our business. Towards an independence where knowledge sets us free. To think big and achieve bigger. To take India to the world and the world to India. Creating pathways of self-reliance. To stand for progress, the planet and the people. Towards a future made perfect. And be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history. It's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.